This is a male king parrot sitting on our neighbor's olive tree. The unprocessed olive fruit are rather toxic. However, this guy seems to process them very well. I've seen king parrots here all the time, males and females, usually in pairs. This is a male. Looks like he's not a juvenile, but he's in full glory. Green and red. And what a pose he's striking. Wonderful. He's eating the olive fruit. The unripe olive fruit, the green olive fruit. Remember, they're pretty caustic and acrid. I think they're alkaline, if I'm not mistaken. They're pretty bitter too. I had a bad experience of tasting it. But wonderful. And such a close-up too. He's very close to me. And right next door. This is a neighbor's olive tree. Oh man. Nice pictures. Munna, come Munna ba. See, look at his voice, Munna. Look at him chewing. He's chewing the olives.
You planted an olive plant.
In the Munna?
You planted an olive plant.
That's in Sydney. And the female's here. I missed the female for so long. See? The female's right here too. The female's the one with the green head. And Munna's right beside me. Happy Munna? That is so close up. And they're not scared of us this time. They always fly away. This is a female with the green head. The female with the green head. And the male with the red head. Oh, so I was thinking, how come the male is here without its consort? His consort. Wonderful, wonderful. Wonderful, and such close quarters too. King parrots, and these are probably the biggest parrots in Australia after the Cacatidae family, which consists of the corellas, cockatoos, all the cockatoo species. Yeah, and the gullas, which are the common ones. So beautiful, and they're actually posing well for us too. I think, oh, wonderful.
Have you planted an olive plant in the garden with